Oh my gosh, what kind of slime is this? Welcome back, guys. It's Toy Junkie, and today we have a brand new video. So many new different toys that we're going to be opening. If you love toy unboxing videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new videos. You guys, today we have an amazing piñata from Fashion Fidgets that was sent to me by Mrs. Bench. Mrs. Bench, thank you so much for that. We also have a red Rainbow High mini accessory studio mystery box. Also have a Hello Kitty and Friends squishums. I am in love with these. We also have one of the 6th season Chef Club Shopkins. There's 2 Shopkins inside, you guys. Here is our Series 1 Fashion Fidget Pets. This was also sent by Mrs. Bench. And for our last one, you guys, we all love these. These are the Poopsie Cutie Tooties. Surprise! There is a total of 25 to collect. 30 plus slimes. So we can get so many different slimes, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and start with the Hello Kitty and Friends Squish'em. I hope we get a good one. Here we have all the items and we can collect. And for this mystery box, we got Kurami. And it's squishy. Let's go ahead and give it a squish. Oh my god, it's so cute. I love the ears. Next up, let's open up our Rainbow High. Here we have our little receipt and our certificate. I'll show you guys ready. Yes, I've been wanting this one. It is the fanny pack, the fanny sparkle bag. This is so cute. Let's open it. Oh my gosh, it's so real. I love it. You can zip it and unzip it. And then here is our dust bag. Super huge for our little tiny bag. Let's put it inside. Next up, I want to open that piñata. Let's open party. Let's see what's inside. Open the ball. Let's open the piñata. What does the piñata have for us? Ooh, I see a tail. Ooh, mermaids. I love the mermaid ones. How many surprises are we going to get inside? Oh my gosh, you guys. We got 3 different surprises in this piñata. So it looks like we got one mermaid with monkey noodle hair. Oh my gosh, I love her hair. Let's stretch her tail. Satisfying, you guys. And here is our other one. I wonder if she was also a mermaid. I'm not sure, but she did not come with a skirt at all. She has little clicky hearts on her cheeks. Super cute. And for our last one, we got a Fashion Fidget Pet with Poppet. Oh my gosh, I love these poppets, you guys. Let's unpop it. Super cute. This puppy is so cute with the blue hair. Next up, we're going to go on with our Shopkins Chef Club. I love Shopkins, you guys. It's one of my favorite toys. So comment down below if you also love Shopkins. This is a season 6. It's a pretty old season, but it's still out there, you guys. For our first Shopkin, we got Melissa Mills from the breakfast section on our checkoff list. Next one. For our next one, we got a caramel topping. She's so cute. Next up, we're going to open our Fashion Fidget Pets. Checkoff list. And here we have all the different pets that we can collect in this series. There's so many cute ones. Side. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at how colorful this is. I'm so excited. Now we have 2 pets. It looks like a rainbow unicorn. It is so cute. With poppets, you guys. I love the poppets. You hear that pop? She is super cute, you guys. For our last one, we got our Poopsie Cutie Tootie surprise. What kind of slime are we going to get? I actually got these at Didi's Discounts for $2.99. That's like the best place to find these, you guys. You guys are looking for them. Here is the check-off list. So many cute ones that you can collect, you guys. Oh my gosh, I love these. So here is some of them that you can collect. And here we have the back. Oh my gosh, there's so many cute ones. I'm really hoping to get the Stardust or the Sunshine. Oh my gosh. Are you guys ready? Oh my gosh, what kind of is this? It's probably not even slime anymore. Okay, let's get our... Ooh! It's so watery! It's not even slime anymore! It's super watery, you guys. Ooh. That is not good slime, you guys. Let's see, what did we get? Good thing I opened this one at the last. I see pink and I see white. Oh my gosh, how adorable is this? It's a little baby unicorn with purple eyes and eyelashes. Let's find out what's her name. Her name is Orchid. She is so cute, you guys. Oh my gosh, she's so adorable. She is a rare. And then this slime is not slime at all. It's falling apart, you guys. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and hit your notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. Comment down below which toy was your favorite. Until next time, toodles!